Hello, thank you for watching Montessori lesson channel. In today's video, I will be introducing the pink picture sheet activity from the language section. There will be a link in the description part for where to purchase the PDF copy of this activity. Please subscribe to my channel, press the like button and bell icon to be notified when a new video comes up. The purpose of this activity is to teach the child to find out that separate sounds and blending sounds go together, to read and understand the three-letter phonetic words. The steps for the activity are: show the child how to take out the label cards from the back envelope attached behind the picture sheet. Put the picture sheet in front of the child and name each picture from the top left. Place the label cards neatly in a stack below the picture sheet. Hand out the top label card from the stack for the child to read. Have the child sound out each word. Example would be jet. If required, have the child sound out the word faster and faster until they can sound out the two sounds together to create the word jet. The child can look at the picture on the picture sheet to help match the correct word and pictures. Get the child to put the matching label cards under the matching picture on the picture sheet. Have the child continue with reading the remaining label cards out loud and matching them to the matching pictures. After the child has completed matching the label cards to the picture, have them read out loud all the words once more, beginning from the top left going from left to right. Place the label cards in random order in a stack under the picture sheet. Have the child repeat the activity. When the child finishes the activity, have them return the label cards back inside the envelope attached to the back of the picture sheet and return it back to the language shelf. The PDF copy of the pink picture sheet can be purchased from IFIT Montessori in the description part in Canadian dollars and US dollars. This ends my video for today. Thank you for watching.